Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by enabling the essentials. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone or plug a high-quality USB cable into the car. Once done, set the car head unit to pairing or USB media mode so it can see your device. Make sure Google Maps is running and location services are allowed. This provides live navigation and voice directions. You do this now so the car can request permissions and the phone can immediately stream audio and directions. Avoiding interrupt, you pair or connect next. On the car display, pick your phone and confirm the pairing code that appears on both devices, which verifies a secure link. If using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, launch it and accept the permission prompts so maps can show on the car screen and send voice. Make sure to allow media and location access, otherwise the app won't play voice guidance or update your route. This step creates a persistent, trusted connection for future rides. Now enter your destination in Google Maps and tap Start so the car displays the route and speaks directions. Use voice commands to keep hands on the wheel. This hands-free flow reduces distraction. If you don't hear navigation, make sure the car audio source is set to Bluetooth or USB and phone volume is up. If connection still fails, restart the phone and head unit, then repair. Updates to the app or firmware often fix lingering compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.